Hello, it's week 12 in quantitative research methods. I hope you have a spooktacular week. Get it? Because Tuesday is Halloween. Never mind. So, we are continuing with the experiment. This is the final research method that we'll be talking about in quantitative research methods this semester. We're going to continue with that, and remember, this week is when you're working on your article critique using a journal article that used an experiment. As always, I have an article posted that I've done. I'm trying to get published. You can use that, or you can go out and use an experimental article or a journal article using an experiment that fits with your research. So that is due by Sunday, November 5th at midnight. So please get to working on that. If you have questions, let me know. I also want you to be thinking about your final project. That's what's due on the date of the final. You have a rough draft of that due to me by November 28th. Excuse me. And you're going to have a couple of work weeks where we're not talking anymore about methods or anything like that. They're work weeks so that you can be working on that final project. Hopefully you've thought about, with the survey, with the experiment, with the content analysis, which one you really enjoyed doing, and you can take the experiment methodology assignment that you use for each of those, take note of my comments, build on it a little bit, find things that you want to improve on it, and use that for your final project, because with this one you are going to have an introduction. There will need to be a little bit of literature review. You do have to do the methodology, but the only thing you have to do for the assignment is really flesh out your methodology part. Talk about what kind of research or what kind of statistics you're going to be using for it, and then really spell out the method and the appendices, whether you're doing an experiment, how you're going to break that down, content analysis, so you'll have your code book, your code sheets, a survey, so you give me an example of the survey, all of that, okay? So again, for that final project, it's just the methodology section. There is no introduction or literature review per se, but you might want to have a brief paragraph for an introduction, and you're going to have some literature to back up what it is that you're doing. So, but we'll get more into that as we get into those weeks. But do be thinking about that, okay, so it doesn't hit you all at once. All right, so again, for this week, by Sunday, November 5th at midnight, have your journal article review, analyzing an article that used an experiment. That is due. And again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, call, come visit, or email me. Talk to you soon.